My name is Professor Arif Herekar. I am a professor of neurology and doing both child and adult neurology. I've been chairman of the neurosciences at the Buckeye Medical University in Karachi. Today's topic is anhedonia, and anhedonia by definition is the inability to experience pleasure and enjoyment. This happens in individuals who have previously been normal. One must remember that anhedonia is a part of a major depressive disorder or illness, and it cannot be really separated. It is a symptom, it's a symptom of a major depressive disorder, and it is a pretty distracting and disabling symptom, so this needs to be addressed. Now, the thing is, how do you describe or how can you give examples of anhedonia? For example, let's take a gentleman has had takes pleasure in doing things after a meal, for example. Some people have the habit of playing cards and doing or playing games after meals. But what happens in anhedonia is that pleasure is lost. He does not do that because he does not feel like doing it. He is not enjoying it. For example, someone who's playing golf does not want to go for golf. This is for him, it's not a pleasure, it's not an enjoyment anymore. He doesn't like it anymore. This is what is anhedonia. There are other examples of anhedonia. For example, you have social anhedonia. In social anhedonia, the patient stops to interact with people he knows, his next of kin. He doesn't even interact with people he has been knowing for the last many, many years. Even time-tested old friends are not a pleasure anymore. So the social interaction, the gathering, the meetings are all called off because he is not interested anymore. Together with the social element of anhedonia, there is a physical element of anhedonia. By physical we mean, for example, when you meet someone, you embrace him, you hug him, and that hugging and embracing gives you an extra pleasure. But these patients who are suffering from anhedonia, they do not get that pleasure. You can hug them, you can embrace them, but they do not respond as they used to do. They are not enjoying that very phenomena